Hello, Danny Bahrami, Lab 4 video for my Lab 4 video. I'm going to show the script in the Unity. So over here we have drag miss that and an object that it is control the each object by physics and basically just to hold the data. Then we have a velocity, vector velocity. This store how fast and where the direction the object is moving. And we have a launch, we have a degree set to 30, speed 100, height to 1. Then we have a game object that every time we press space is gonna print a time projectile. And every time that we press space, the new projectile is set to the new initial velocity, which is 10 and 19, 16, and set to the new starting height, which is set on the float y. And every time we click space, as I said, it's gonna launch the object to 30 degrees and it's gonna print launch. And what do we have? We have a game object that is a component that controlled by the physics engine, and it's a behavior like any other object in the scene. And they basically affect by gravity and the drag. We have a line that's just following our game object. And over here we have intents that make sure our physics engine use once. And we have everything when the game object going downward is gonna go through this time in delta time. So basically when it go downward is just going to be a smooth and every frame get updated by millisecond by 20 millisecond. Then we have over here is fixed update. We are using fixed update, not update, because just making sure the physics calculate according and consistency through it across the different script. And then we got this new position, which is calculate the object current velocity and multiply it by the time step. And we have the object velocity that when our object going downward, this makes sure that every frame increase to the downward velocity. Then we have a drag force, just is like a resistant for our air object. So when they get launched, after they go upward, they're gonna get dragged and going downward. And we have the line that follow our game object when they're going downward, when they're landing, and when they're launching. And yep, let's go into Unity. See, you're getting dragged. Get dragged right here. Oop, go down. And I was going to, where was it? Right here. So every time we click space, oh, oh, sorry. Every time I click space, just gonna copy a new projectile. And thanks for listening. These changes you could find it in lab for scene in the scene folder. And yeah, thank you and have a nice night.